Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA Game Filters not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Windows search menu, type Graphics Settings, and open it. Click Advanced Graphics Settings and make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is enabled. Next, click Add Desktop App, go to the C drive, then Program Files, then open NVIDIA Corporation, select NVIDIA App, open the CF folder, and add the NVIDIA app. Repeat the process to add the NVIDIA overlay application. After adding both apps, open their graphics preferences and set each one to High Performance. Now, open File Explorer, navigate to the same NVIDIA app folder, right-click NVIDIA app, select Properties, open the Compatibility tab, enable, run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Repeat these steps for the NVIDIA overlay application. Once both applications are configured, restart your PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.